Hello and good morning. I'm here in Gouda. Today in this video I'm gonna cover the most popular tourist attractions here in Gouda. So let's get started and see what the city has to offer. Our first stop is Gouda City Hall. This iconic building is situated in the center of Market Square and constructed in 1448. This Gothic style city hall is one of the oldest city hall in the Netherlands. Currently, I am standing in the Market Square. Market Square is surrounded by historical buildings, shops, restaurants, and cafes. If you're visiting Gouda, Market Square is the perfect place to start your tour and explore the city. Visiting the Market Square, and now I'm heading to Holland, the road leave, or in English the red line windmill. So let's check it out. Holland, the road leave no longer produce flour, but it still works. This particular windmill was constructed in 1727 and has been restored in recent decades. Holland, the road leave is a great attractions here in Gouda. To enter this windmill, you have to pay €2 per person. Close to this windmill, there is a shop, so you can find tickets there. Now I'm heading to Gouda Cheese and Craft Museum, so let's check it out. The Gouda Cheese and Craft Museum is located in the Market Square. The Gouda is an old building that has served for 100 years as a station for cheese. It is now a museum and craft center to help people to learn about the history of Gouda and its famous cheese market. Amsterdam is not the only city that has canal. You can find canals everywhere here in the Netherlands, like this canal in the Gouda. Now I am heading back to home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.